Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video, we're at our animated videos tool and we're going to be seeing on how to work with images and also image holders. So to start off, we're going to start with image holders. They're going to be right here on your library. You can just click on the plus icon and select a image holder that you want. You can also open all to see all the image holders at once. You can choose any. For example, I'm just going to choose this TV over here. It's going to take you to this page where you can see all your uploaded images. If you don't have any images over here, you would have to upload it on your images. But once you do, you can just click on it. You can resize it over here and replace it as you would like, just like so. And once you get it to a point where you like it, you can just click insert with this image and your image will be inserted all together. You can move it around. You can select when it's going to come in on your timeline over here. You can change all of this. Next up, we're going to see on how to add images. You're going to come right over here, click on images, and here on your library is going to be your images that you uploaded from your computer. You can upload them through over here. You just click on it, and let's just upload another one over here so you guys can see. And it would show up right here. You can also use from Flickr, Pixabay, and your camera from your computer or any external camera. To insert an image to your slide, you can just click right here. You can select it and click right here. You can also select multiple and click at once. They will be both stacked up like this. I'm just going to delete it. And last thing that you can do on images is use it as background. So if I click on it and I use it as background, it will change my background to my picture. And I can add other pictures to it. For example, if I just click on insert image, it will add on top of it and I cannot move the background at all. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.